Sponsored by Popcorn World. Check them out at doingtheworldofFlavor.com. Back in January at CES, I checked out the Edifier booth, checked out their speakers, their headphones, and their earbuds, their true wireless earbuds. These right here are the TWS6 true wireless earbuds from Edifier. Let's check them out. Hey, Zach Pack. Welcome back to Zach Talks Tech. I'm glad you're here. Let's talk about these earbuds. Like I said, back in January, I got to know Edifier a little bit better. Got to check out their speakers, their headphones, and their true wireless earbuds. Now, I don't do a lot of audio on this channel, but I'm hoping to change it up, bring a little more audio to you guys and things like that. As a former disc jockey, yes, I DJ'd for about 11 years or so. I like to think that I have an ear for sound, or at least know what sounds good and what doesn't. So when Edifier contacted me after CES and said, hey, we're going to send these out to you, I was like, okay, cool, fire them over. So they fire these over, and these are their TWS6 true wireless earbuds. Not crazy about the name, but these are really, really awesome if I really had to kind of sum it up. The first thing I want to talk about is the packaging. I gotta say the packaging is really great. You guys know I'm really big on packaging and presentation. I want to have a bit of an experience. The packaging also speaks to the company and the care that's put into a product. So when you get something like this, it's really nice that, to see that they've kind of put the care and, the process into it. On the inside here, obviously you're going to get the earbuds, but if you open this up, you're also going to get some different size ear tips right here, depending on the size of your ear. And I would really encourage you to make sure you go through stuff like this to make sure you get a proper fit. It should be snug, but it shouldn't hurt your ears. I was able to wear these 4 or 5 hours at a time, no problem at all. You want to make sure that you're getting the proper fit. So it's nice that Edifier puts these in here so you can get that proper seal and an enjoyable experience. Along with the different size earbuds, you're also going to get a power cord. You're also going to get some wings. So if you want to get the little wings that kind of fit up inside your ear there so they don't fall out, you can also use those as well. And also an instruction manual. Now for myself personally, when I was using these, I never had a problem with them falling out. I have used them while exercising on the treadmill or going for a walk around the block. I've used them for here at my desk, on the couch, falling asleep in bed. I never personally had an issue of them falling out. But if you're one of those people that wants that extra security, the wings are in there for yourselves. Let's talk about the pairing experience, or how you're going to get up and running with these. Pretty simple. You just open them up. They're going to go into a pair mode, and you just look for the right ear tip. It'll show up on your Bluetooth list there. You pair it up. Once it's paired up to the right one, the left one kicks in, and you're done. If you need to repair with a different device, so for myself, I tested between my Android and my Apple devices. There is a pair button on the back here. You just hold that down. It goes into pairing mode. There is a light on the bottom that will flash. You pair it up. Away you go. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I never had any problems pairing these up. It's nice that Edifier gives a USB Type-C to USB-A cable there for the fast charging, so you can charge these up quite quickly. But they also wirelessly charge as well. So you can put these down on a wireless charger and line them up, and you'll get the little red light on the bottom there. Once that goes out, you're charged up and you're good to go. In terms of hours of playback and enjoyment, I was getting around 28, maybe 30 hours, but I always had the volume way cranked up there. Edifier is saying up to 32 hours. I believe that's at a medium level, but you know what? 32 hours or even 28 hours like I was getting is still quite impressive along with the case there. And while I was testing the TWS6 Edifier True Wireless Earbuds, I was also enjoying myself some popcorn from Popcorn World. Go ahead and check them out, guys. The website is doingtheworldofFlavor.com. 250 flavors. It's gourmet popcorn. It is delicious. This right here is the jerk flavor. It's one of my favorites, but I also really like the caramel flavors they have, the caramel salt. There's also a strawberry cheesecake flavor, which is just amazing, and a key lime pie flavor. Just go check them out. 250 flavors. It's gourmet stuff, different sizes, everything from this to like big pouches. They kept me fed while I was at CES. They are a great supporter of the tech community, and they're sponsoring today's video. So thanks for keeping me fed there, Popcorn World. I really do appreciate it. And I want you guys to go check them out. Link is down below. And going back to when I use them, like I said, I use them for walks around the house, things like that. They are IPX5 waterproof and sweat-proof. So if you're using these for working out or different things like that, and you're worried about sweat buildup and things like that, Edifier has you covered. The earbuds are sealed there. You should have no problems at all. In terms of control, the tap, the pause, and things like that, no problems at all. Was very functional. No issues there at all. Very simple to use. So how do these sound? Well, I know sound is really subjective, okay? So we know what will sound good to you, will sound bad to me. What might sound good to me might also sound good to you. So let me just say that I'll use one word to really describe these. Balanced.
It's true.
Okay, they weren't too bassy, they weren't too high on the high ends. The mids seemed to be right where they need to be. I found them very balanced. The only time I could really kind of get like a thump if I wanted something like that, it was when I played with my EQ within my player. So I use things like Spotify, YouTube, I use Google Play Music, YouTube Music, things like that, everyday kind of players and whatnot that most people would use, streaming formats and things like that to test these out. And I would just call them balanced. And they were perfect for listening to podcasts and spoken voice and things like that. So if you're looking for something on the higher end with the thump, with the bass and everything like that, these might not be ones to look at. But if you're looking for something simple, you just really well balanced. Like I said, how many times have I said balanced now? These will be it right there for you. So did I find any issues with the Edifier TWS6 wireless earbuds? Yes, my only issue is this. This case here is beautiful. This nice piano black finish they have on here. It scratches really easily. I only was taking this in and out of my pocket, maybe down on my desk, and I've got all these little surface scratches everywhere, all over the case and everything like that. The earbuds themselves are fine. They charge fine. They work great. I would totally recommend these, but just the casing itself seemed to get banged up pretty easily. So in the end, would I recommend the TWS6 true wireless earbuds from Edifier? Absolutely. They come at a great price. They're really well balanced and they look beautiful. They're very minimal, but if you want something that's really well balanced and feels good and fits good in the ear with no problems and just straightforward, this is it right here. I would absolutely recommend these if you're looking for some earbuds. They come in both this black color right here and also a white color. So let me know down in the comment section, have you ever heard of Edifier? Have you ever thought about looking up their products before? Let me know about your experiences with them and we'll have a conversation. If you guys have enjoyed this content, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Leave me a hashtag ZachPack down in the comment section. You're part of my Zach Pack and I'm glad you're here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.